Hi, my name is Natasha Mann. I represent two UK boarding schools. The first one is Myddelton College. We are a co-educational school in the north of Wales. We are mainly British, 70%, but we welcome students from lots of different countries. At the moment we have 14 different nationalities represented. We are currently looking to expand into the Mexican market, and this fair has been a great way to meet new agents and hopefully get some new connections. So it's really exciting to see how that area will grow. The other school, Adcote, is an all-girls school, which sometimes is a bit trickier, but we've had some really good feedback today. We have girls from age 7 to 18. We're a very small traditional school with about 180 students, and Mexican students are something that we have never received in the past, but we're really hoping to develop the market there as well. So it's going to be really interesting to see how we can keep going with that in the future.